we had a lot of fun here just the other day when we brought a cheap little $77 ready-to-run 10th scale crawler. Now, as much as we had fun, the vehicle wasn't all that impressive, so we thought, hey, it's been a while since we've bashed here. Let's bring something that should be able to hold up to the fairgrounds. This is where we're bashing right now, the Traxxas Stampede 4x4 brushed. Okay, 10th scale. This is a ready-to-run vehicle. We've got our 6-cell nickel metal hydride in there. I think it's
7-cell.
Oh, you're right. It is 7 cells. 3,000 milliamps. Although I charged it on my hobby grade charger, not the stupid little car charger it comes with. That would take forever. And you know what? I'll be honest. I was not impressed with the speed test at all. Yeah. Okay. There we go. I trimmed it up pretty nicely. There we go. That's full throttle, guys.
Brushed motor.
This is probably one of the slowest things we've ever done a speed test on.
But they make a brushless version. It just costs more.
There we go. That's full throttle. Abby, this might be our shortest, slowest video ever. I was very underwhelmed. Not impressed at all on the speed test of this. I know it's brushed and hey, it's not designed to be the fastest vehicle out there, but come on, we're pushing $300 here. You know, we're right up on that $300 mark, and I do think that you should be able to get a little bit more bang for your buck on that. Hey, just my opinion. We're here to have some fun though. And it doesn't matter what brand the vehicle is. At the end of the day, as long as you're having fun, that's all that matters. I feel like I never have to say these things unless I'm holding a Traxxas vehicle. There's just so many people out there that get so worked up over name brands. Remember, they're all toys. So Abby and I are gonna turn on our toy and go have fun in some mud and dirt and ramps.
Big boy toy.
Big boy toy, big girl toy, that's right. But that's the point. I mean, some people forget that. Let's power on and have a blast. One thing I'll be curious about is to see how well the battery's gonna hold up, because literally all we did was do a few passes on our speed test, and that's it.
And we came straight here.
We came straight here, that's exactly right. Okay, so right now it's doing good. I would expect it to, I mean, it's a monster truck, you know? Nice. The shiny chrome wheels look pretty good, don't they?
Yes.
We're gonna hit some hills and ramps, I think. Now? Let's do it now. Let's do it now. Yow!
Nice, it got there.
That's not bad.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, good job. Good job, little Stampede. Let's move to another spot here. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay. I think I can have fun on this tiny little ridge all day long.
That's cool.
Yeah. That was really good. We're definitely getting more air this way, Abby.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, the first time I flip it, the controls are yours. Abby and I, we try to have a 3-flip rule. And after I've flipped it 3 times, I gotta pass the controls off to her.
That was so close.
It was close, wasn't it? Ka-chunga! Here we go, one more good one.
I hate that you guys are having to look at trash.
Okay, I just want to see if I can get up this hill right here, and then I'll pass the controls over to you. Oh, yeah, that's a perfect time to pass it.
Thanks, Nate. We got some snow last night, and that's all that's left. We have not gotten any good snows. All last year, we waited for a good snow for you guys because we still have something for the snow.
Yeah.
So we've now waited 2 winters for good snow to get out something that we bought.
No snow.
No snow.
We may have to take a road trip.
I know, right?
Go north in the winter. We have never done that before.
Sounds terrible.
Yeah. I think you're gonna like just ramping at this spot. I mean, we need to go to a different spot, but I think you need to hit it a couple times. This is actually a pretty fun vehicle.
It kind of makes me want the brushless.
Oh, it definitely makes me want the brushless.
Have you guys seen the pink Slash? As we were coming out here, I looked up Traxxas and they had new pink Bandit and a pink Slash, and they probably have some other pink ones too.
I like the new monster truck.
And I'm like, I hate you Traxxas, you're gonna make me spend money.
I know. We are not huge fans of the brand.
They're like the only people now that have something pink.
It is pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've been saying there needs to be more stuff appealing to girls, because girls drive trucks just as much as guys do.
And guys like pink and purple too.
Some guys, yeah.
Some guys like it. They like that it's different.
Good ramp, Abby.
Thanks.
All right, yeah, let's do the big hill over here. All right, Abby.
You want me to climb this?
I want to see if it maybe can climb it. I mean, it's.
I don't know if any of our vehicles can climb it.
Oh, the other thing we brought out can. I know it can. There you go. I figured it could do it. Oh! Yeah! Okay. Give it another shot. Oh! 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 What? That was crazy. I think it can make it up that hill. I mean, you gotta challenge yourself sometimes. Go! Yeah.
I'm giving it full right, but the curve
I know, I can tell. I can tell. Hold it right, hold it. There, okay, oh, I think you would have had it if you just went straight. What's this, the fourth time's the charm, Abby? Oh, that one little twig gotcha. That might be your third.
I'll get it.
It might be your third flip, possibly, but that's okay because I challenged. Oh, I see a good place to ramp after this. There it is. There it is. Oh, I think you can get it. Oh, I knew it with that momentum. You got this one spot. You got to hit it right here where my shadow is, and then go up that path. I think that's the only way to get it. More speed. I'm gonna say 2 more tries. If you don't get it, we gotta hit a ramp. 2 more. There it is. Here it is. Oh. Yeah, the dry grass is slowing you down, bogging you down. There it is. Oh, okay.
No!
Time to ramp. I see a really good ramp, Abby. Okay, ramp time, come on. It's right here. You see it? You see the lip? Ah! Oh,
no.
I'll flip it. Remember what we have to bring this home in. Oh, I see what you're gonna do. No. We gotta bring this on. We just got the car cleaned. Okay, not as good of a lip as I thought. Oh, you cannot hit that muddy spot. You want to though, don't you? Are you doing it? Oh man, let me get it on camera. You're gonna ramp into the mud.
I gotta look at the other side because it's just kind of like a pile of dirt, but this will be fun. It'll be worth it.
Oh man. Okay, I'm hiding behind this. Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, you missed. I think it's a sign.
It's not a really good ramp.
Yeah, it's a sign. Let's not do it. Let's not do it. If that was a ramp, that would have been so cool.
It's not though. It's not.
You're gonna try again though, aren't you? Oh, Abby, if it flips upside down in that puddle. Wow. Talk about just covered in mud.
Look at it.
Yeah.
Dripping.
Let's get a close shot.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. I will say they do make waterproof vehicles, so happy about that. Well, you basically did exactly what I was hoping we wouldn't do on this trip out here. Abby and I just cleaned our car, inside and out, and now we gotta figure out a way to clean that off before we go.
Why clean a car if you're not gonna get it dirty again?
No, good point. It should have been dirty for like a year, so only clean for 2 days. Look at the zoom on this. Right? Look at the zoom on this lens. Oh!
I shouldn't have juiced it and turned.
It's not a bad truck, is it?
No.
When you're bashing. It's just not a speed demon, that's for sure.
I can have fun bashing almost anything.
Yeah.
Almost.
As long as it doesn't snap in half on the first. Oh.
Why did I do that?
Oh, I'll bet you can get unstuck.
Right when I went on that, I was like, why did I do that?
There you go. You got it. Yeah. Nice little air. Hit it this way. Hit it this way. Oh. Listen, like I said at the beginning of this video, if you get to the point where you just are more worried about the brand than having fun, you're just doing life wrong. I mean, you must not be. Oh, yeah, you landed.
The whole time I was trying to hit that dirt clump.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice job. Oh, it's just about having fun, right? Kapow! We think we might have found one more cool spot. Ha! Yeah. Coming down off this hill, hit this little ramp. Needs to be a bigger ramp. Come on! That was cool. The one rock. Oh.
I was aiming for it.
You were? No, you were not. Here we go. Go! Nice! For a little brushed motor, that ain't bad, is it? Not bad. So what do you think, Abby? I mean, give us your overall thoughts of this.
After the speed test, I was very concerned. Like, what in the world did Nate buy? Why?
I traded for it. I traded for
Whatever, same thing. And now after driving it and bashing it, it's a lot more fun. And you all missed a really good ramp because Nate's not.
Oh, okay. All right. Here we go. What are you doing, Abby? What was that?
I don't know.
This is the stuff we're missing. We're all holding our breath, and you just like, this is not a crawler. Come on. What was that? Was your finger even?
I couldn't see.
Just juice it blindly. Go, go, go! Yeah, nice. Good. Good ramp. That was a good ramp. All right, I've got to hit this one more time before we wrap it up. Last fall, Abby and I were so hopeful that this would be our new ultimate bashing ground, and it got kind of messed up from some full-scale vehicles, and they had to put these little clumps of dirt out here to stop people. Oh, I can feel it's getting slower.
Yeah, it is.
Nickel metal hydride batteries just, when they get low, you can just feel it. So I think there you go. That was probably about a 15-minute run time.
That's pretty good.
I'm not going to push it any farther. You know, Traxxas has their proprietary connectors on there. You can buy...
Oh my gosh, I'm falling.
You can buy battery converters to convert that, like Amazon or eBay or anywhere, to convert it to Deans or XT60, whatever floats your boat. I highly encourage you, I highly recommend not to buy into the proprietary Traxxas batteries and chargers. They're just overpriced and they're no better than any other batteries on the market. Other than that, I'm actually fairly impressed now that we've driven this out here. Maybe not impressed, but at least happy, you know?
I had a good time.
Happy medium. Had a great time. That's what RC is all about. This is not the fastest thing out there. Most of these shots that you saw of us driving, pedal to the metal, full throttle the whole time to hit those speeds in that air and stuff. Which, let's face it, that's what we all do anyway, right? It doesn't matter what we're driving. Maybe crawlers. This, if for some reason our video made you decide that you want to get this, we'll have a link in the description box below. Honestly, still at the end of the day, personally, I do feel like there is better bang for your buck out there on the market, but we have our extreme Traxxas fanboys, and I get it. You know, brand loyalty is not a bad thing, as long as you're not bringing other people down when you're super passionate about your brand, okay? That's all right. As we end today's video, I just want to say a huge thank you to all these names that are scrolling by now. These and then some are our patron supporters, and we thank you so much for everything you do for us. Guys, before you click away, we've got one video that we'd like you to check out, surrounded by the cartoon versions of us, a video and a truck that we highly recommend. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you there.